to the park?
कौन जाता है?
पार्क में कौन जाता है? Who will go to the park? And who went to the park?
कौन गया?
Who drives the motorbike?
कौन ड्राइव करता है?
Who will drive the motorbike?
कौन ड्राइव करेगा?
And who drove the motorbike?
किसने ड्राइव किया?
Who teaches you English?
कौन पढ़ाता है?
And who will teach you English? And who taught you English?
किसने पढ़ाई?
कौन समझे सर?
Yes sir.
Who presses your uniform? Who will press your uniform? And who pressed your uniform? Who feeds you? Who will feed you? And who fed you? Who disturbs you? Who will disturb you? And who disturbed you? This is so clear. This is summary of all the three lessons, no? So, man, you know, which is a little more, you know, that you can say add on this. I wanted to revise all the three lessons before moving to lesson number 4. ये था कि यहाँ से लेकिन हम क्या है हम यहीं पर बैठे क्योंकि ये चीज़ है ये तो एक मिनट हो जाएगा बैठ जाए तो करना क्या है The situation is that I went to the hospital. The person who's standing in front of you. Who's standing in front of you? Mr. M.I. The situation is that I went to the hospital. I went to the hospital. क्या हुआ? मैं कहाँ गया? Hospital गया. I came back from the hospital. ठीक है जी? I am facing you now. अब आपको फेस कर रहा हूँ. No, you have to ask me the questions. हॉस्पिटल गया हूँ, हॉस्पिटल से वापस आया हूँ आपके सामने खड़ा हूँ. ठीक है जी? ये जो सारी सिचुएशन है. About that, now the question. जी.
Did you observe the problems of?
Did you observe the problems of the patients? क्या पूछा? इन्होंने मुझसे क्या पूछा?
आपने पेशेंट्स की प्रॉब्लम को ऑब्जर्व किया था?
ठीक है जी. क्या आपने पेशेंट्स की प्रॉब्लम्स को ऑब्जर्व किया? क्या आपने देखा कि क्या मसाइल हैं जी? Yes, I observed. Yes, I observed. Or yes, I observed them. Yes, I did. क्लियर बात. लेकिन आप मुझसे कुछ सवाल पूछना है, मुझे पता चलेगा जी.
Did you nurse the patient?
Did you nurse the patients? क्या मतलब है?
क्या मरीज की खातिरदारी की?
हाँ, nurse and you are as nurse खातिरदारी जी.
Did you consult the doctor in hospital?
Very good. क्या मतलब? क्या डॉक्टर से मिले? क्या आपने डॉक्टर को कंसल्ट किया जी?
Did you donate your blood?
Very good. Did you donate your blood? क्या आपने अपना ब्लड डोनेट किया? किसी को खून दिया आपने?
Did you receive the receipt?
Did you receive
The receipt.
ये क्या कहना आपने?
पर्ची होती है.
हाँ. Did you take?
Did you take?
Did you take the token? No, that's the token you can listen, but the entry token, no?
Yes.
The entry token. जी.
Did you observe the private system of hospitals?
Did you observe over there?
Private hospitals.
Did you observe? No. Did you observe? No. The private clinic system, the private hospital system. Correct. बात बनती है.
Did you visit the laboratory?
Did you visit the laboratory, the lab? No. जी.
Did you go to nursery?
Did you go to the nursery? Correct. जी.
Did you have the poor patients?
Did you have the poor patient? जी. Asfan जी. बेटा, I want to see you perform हो रहे हैं जी. मैं तो गया नहीं. अस्पताल तो होके तुम्हारे सामने आ गया खड़ा नहीं. इस सारे जो errand है, this called errand ना, ERRAND, छोटे से बेटा. जी.
Did you enjoy the weather?
Did you enjoy the weather? ठीक है. दूसरी.
Did you meet any friend?
Did you meet any of your friends over there? Correct. जी.
Did you have any family member works in the hospital?
Did you?
Any family member
जी.
work in the hospital?
ये आप ना मैं बताऊँ क्या कुछ विचार है कि आपका कोई फैमिली मेंबर वहाँ पे कोई काम करता है क्या होगा? Does any of your family members work there? होगी ना?
Yes.
ये सिर्फ मैं क्यों पुकार रहा हूँ? मैं प्रेजेंटेशन देखना चाह रहा हूँ कि हम कितने थोड़ी रात में जो है ना वो चीज़ स्किप कर देते हैं. जी.
Did you read
Any family member in the hospital.
हाँ क्या होगा?
आप अस्पताल में अपने किसी रिश्तेदार से मिले हो?
मिले, very good, correct, जी।
Did you check up yourself?
Did you?
Check up yourself.
आप पता है क्या पूछना चाह रहे हैं? क्या आपने आपको चेकअप आपने करवाया? Did you get yourself checked? Get checked. Clear?
Yes.
Again, did you get yourself examined? Get examined, get checked up, and so on. जी।
Did you register?
Did you? नहीं कहा है कि मैं इंतजार कर रहा हूँ। Did you visit the hospital by rickshaw? Did you go to the hospital by rickshaw? Did you go to hospital on foot? ठीक है, did you go? No, आगे चलेंगे आगे फिर that how और so on. जी, आपने कुछ नहीं पूछा, आपने नहीं पूछा.
Did you take the medicine?
Very good. Did you take the medicine? Very good. क्या आपने medicine को ली? जी.
Did you visit the whole hospital?
Did you visit the whole hospital? Correct. जी.
Did you observe the cleanliness of the hospital?
Did you observe
Cleanliness.
cleanliness? Very good. अच्छा, your focus is on observation. Correct. It's right. It's a good idea. जी.
Did you climb the stairs?
Did you climb the stairs carefully, properly,
Without producing sound?
without producing the sound? Excellent. Did you climb the chair? No, or you can say stairs, or without producing no what the noise, etc. जी.
Did you make movie in the hospital?
Very good. अच्छा, मैं इसे छोड़ रहा हूँ. ठीक है? ये concept कुछ बना आपका? क्या आपने खाना खाया? क्या आपने अपने यूनिफॉर्म इस्त्री किया जी? क्या आपने सीसेस की के लिए तैयारी की? क्या आपने सीसेस का इश्तिहार देखा जी? क्या आपने सीसेस एग्जाम का शेड्यूल देखा जी? ठीक है जी? क्या आपने अपनी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव की? ठीक है जी? क्या आपने कल वाली असाइनमेंट देखी? बात समझ नहीं? क्या आपने माइकल हार्ट की किताब कंसल्ट की? क्या आपने ऑक्सफोर्ड इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी ली? क्या आपने टॉकिंग डिक्शनरी ली? क्या आपने इंटरव्यू के लिए प्लान किया? सारी बातें हो सकती है ना? क्या एंड नीड टू. दिस इज द लास्ट पार्ट. अगेन हॉस्पिटल वाली बात मैं आगे ही चलूंगा. व्हाट डिड यू ऑब्जर्व इन द हॉस्पिटल? How did you feel in the hospital? ठीक है. When did you visit the hospital? ठीक है. Why did you visit the hospital? ये सारी बात आप कह रहे थे ना जी. बस what did you observe in the hospital? जी.
I
Observe no the best system of the hospital. I observe no
the poor system of
the poor, the damaged, the paralyzed system of our hospitals. जी. When I visited the hospital in the morning, I visited the hospital from 5 to 6. Absolutely right. I visited the hospital by rickshaw. On foot, by motorbike, by car, by taxi. I visited the hospital to nurse the patient. याद है? ये सारी बात. No, the question is over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm standing in front of you. Now, open question. From the day I was born and from the moment until the moment I am standing over here. Question. D. Who will begin with? Who will initiate? The day I was born.
What did you observe in the Oxford University?
What did you observe in the Oxford University? Now, very good question. D. Questions only. D.
What did you observe in the markets?
What did you observe in the market? जी.
What?
अगर आप कहते हैं ना, what did you purchase from the market? What did you purchase from the market? ये और मैं छुट्टी होता है. How did you feel in the market? उसका मेरे एकदम पैर में ज़मीन निकल गई. मैं कुछ बोल भी क्यों ना कर एक सुना मेरे पास. दादी ने कुछ किया है ना? How did you feel in the market? जी.
What did you do in your childhood?
What did you do in the childhood? Very good. मैं कह रहा हूँ आपको ये open है. Anyhow, what? Where did you? Where did you
get your basic education?
Where did you?
Where did you get your basic education?
Very good. Where did you get your basic education from? Where did you buy this book from? Where did you get this idea from? लगी बात?
Yes, sir.
जी.
Why did you become a doctor?
Why did you become a doctor? Very good. Excellent question.
When did you reach in Belize?
What beta?
When did you reach in the beach?
When did you reach? There's a no in. When did you reach the academy? When did you reach America? When did you reach your office? There's a no in. Clear? When did you reach sea? Skipping share, you know? जी.
Or did you?
अच्छा मैं पता नहीं क्या
Or
एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ कि इतने क्वेश्चन हो यार मुझे ये रोकना पड़ेगा.
Yes, sir.
जी.
Or did you teach English?
How did you teach English? आपने क्या पूछा? How do you teach English या how did you teach English?
Or did you teach?
क्या फर्क है? How do you teach English? आप इंग्लिश कैसे पढ़ाते हैं? आपने इंग्लिश कैसे पढ़ाई? ये तो मैं जानता हूँ that you teach English now by involving the student. लेकिन मैं दसो यार कल भी तो अंग्रेजी पढ़ाने गए हैं. How did you teach English over there? How did you teach English yesterday? How did you teach English now to Mr. Aslam? Clear? How did you teach English at IL?